Welcome to Hope Spring eCards. Every eCard you send helps bring clean water to communities in Africa who need it most. We've got hundreds of beautiful eCards for every occasion, from birthdays, Mother's Day, Father's Day, and anniversaries to festive holidays like Christmas, New Year, and more. Now, the reason you're watching this video might be because, like one of our esteemed supporters, you'd prefer that we don't include the donation acknowledgement in the footer of the emails we send, either the confirmation email sent to you as the sender or the email sent to your recipient so they can view the eCard. Well, we listened, and we've now made it possible. After you've chosen your preferred eCard and added your name, email, personal message, the recipient's name and email, or check the box that says I don't have the recipient's email, get shareable link for WhatsApp, which is for if you want to send via WhatsApp. Once you've done all that and click the preview button, you'll be taken to the final eCard preview page. Here's where you choose your amount and currency to donate. You'll see a small checkbox that says Add Donation Acknowledgement on this eCard. By default, this box is checked, which means your eCard emails will include the usual donation acknowledgement in the footer. But if you prefer to send your greeting without it, simply uncheck the box. That's it. Your eCard will be sent clean and simple, just the way you want it. This way, you can share your message exactly how you want it, while still making a real impact through your donation. Start sending beautiful and thoughtful eCards from Hope Spring eCards today. Visit ecards.hopespring.org.uk today.